Hey all you cool cats and kittens, it's part 3 of how to maybe build a high tunnel with Andy, me, the young berry farmer. Let's get you all catched up on what I've been doing since the past video. As you can see, I've put in these wooden hipboards and baseboards on the bottom here. This adds a little bit more structural rigidity. In addition, I put in these 2 other sets of purlins at the top in addition to the center purlin. One's fairly straight. The middle one's okay straight. Number 3 here has got a little bit of scoliosis down in the end, but you know, we don't judge here. It's just a genetic defect. Now you may be wondering why I look so cool right now. And it's not just to stay fashionable in these quarantine times, it's also because when we put these tech screws into the metal here, we have flying shards of metal that fly out as you're drilling into the support holes and the arches, which can be especially distracting when you're up on the tractor trying to put the purlins in. So I'm wearing a hood, I'm wearing glasses, and I'm wearing a buff to protect my ears, eyes, and neck, respectively. It's always important to stay safe and look good while doing it. The next thing that we have to do is put roof bracing on, and hopefully that will be done right now. So here they are, all finished the next day. As you can see, we have this diagonal cross bracing just on the first 2 arches on either side. We got them all the way in the back here too. All right, here we are again. It's been a hot minute. We had a 3-day-long lovely mid-April snowstorm. Things are finally getting back to workable. So the next step is to put in these vertical studs for making our end walls and eventually our door frames. So these are the studs that are going to be going in. We have 4 studs on each side, and they will be connecting up to these metal interface brackets. That's where the studs will be making contact with the rest of our frame. These holes should be on exactly level, the exact right spot to interface with the bracket up here. The manual said I needed to use a plumb bob in order to do that, but I saw how much plumb bobs cost on Amazon and thought to myself, this seems like a job for a rock tied to a string. And that seemed to do the job just as easily. So first we need to do is actually drill those to the correct depth now that I've got the spots down, and then we can go ahead and put the studs in. All right, we are all finished up with the studs. There they are on both sides, ready to carry the weight of my future. That doesn't make any sense. Ready to carry the weight of producing raspberries for the Twin Cities for as long as possible. Next step, we're going to be building some door frames. This is when we really get to the part where I'm not sure I know what I'm doing, so I have to watch a bunch of YouTube videos, and hopefully we can do something that resembles some doors. So, bear with me. That's the end of this video. Thanks so much. See you later.